Hi everyone, my name is Jordy, and today I will be presenting some of the preliminary results from a project called Too Much Water or Too Little, where we are investigating the effects of tile drain spacing and nutrient application timing in poorly drained soils of an organic farming system. Organic vegetable farmers in areas of the Fraser River Valley confront many challenges when it comes to water management and how to maintain soil health and crop production despite potential for changes in precipitation due to climate change. Installation of tile drainage is one way in which farmers combat this growing concern. Tile drainage may help to moderate soil moisture and increase shoulder season workability, but it may also have negative effects on soil organic matter. Nutrient application timing is another strategy, as fall application of nutrients reduces the number of spring operations when soil workability may be limited. Thus, the integration of water and nutrient management is key to finding management plans which preserve both the ability of a farmer to work the field and the ability of the field to produce crop biomass. This project aims to investigate the interactions between nutrient management timing and tile drainage to gain insight into beneficial management practices for farms across this area. Beginning in the fall of 2019, plots were established in Delta, BC to investigate the impacts of tile drainage spacing and amendment application timing on various soil health and crop biomass metrics. The field of interest was planted with field peas during the 2019 growing season and silage corn during the 2020 growing season. A cover crop mixture of tillage radish, sunflower, and vetch was also planted during the overwinter period. A two-factor randomized complete block design was established to compare 2 tile spacing treatments and 3 nutrient timing treatments. Tile drainage treatments included 15 and 30-foot tile spacing, and the nutrient application timing treatments included a fall compost application using municipal compost, a spring compost application using chicken manure compost, and a control where no compost was applied. The fall compost application occurred in October of 2019 with 281 kilograms per hectare of nitrogen applied. The spring compost application occurred in April of 2020 with 270 kilograms per hectare of nitrogen applied. Our preliminary analysis was used to investigate the impact of drainage spacing and timing of nutrient application on soil properties and crop biomass. Soil health measurements, including soil volumetric water content and electrical conductivity, which is a measure of soil salinity, were measured in the spring of 2020. And corn stalk and ear fresh weight biomass and counts were measured just prior to harvesting in the fall of 2020. In this figure, we have average stalk weight and count on the 2 left panels and average ear weight and count on the right 2 panels. Both stalk and ear biomass fresh weight and count significantly differed between 15 and 30-foot drainage spacing treatments, indicated here by the highlighted boxes. But there were no significant differences between nutrient application timing treatments at either level of drainage, indicated by the different hues of orange and green. In terms of soil health measurements, volumetric water content, which was measured 2 weeks apart in April of 2020, was seemingly unaffected by either nutrient application timing or the drainage spacing treatments, and we can see that here on the left-hand 2 panels. Electrical conductivity was also measured twice. On the initial spring measurement, there was significant difference between 15 and 30-foot drainage spacings, but again, not between nutrient application timing. 1 week later, the measurement difference between 15 and 30-foot drainage spacing was only marginally significant. These preliminary results indicate that there may be no effect of nutrient application timing on soil and plant health metrics, or maybe there's another management factor that's masking the effect. If further research supports that there is no negative effect of fall nutrient application on yields, it may be a great alternative to reduce the number of spring farm operations. Further research at this site will enable greater understanding of how nutrient application and tile drainage may impact infield water management and how that relates to the maintenance of soil health and crop production. Thanks to everyone for tuning in, all the participating farmers, and also to the funders of this project.